be close. Help me when I am down, lift me up off the ground, teach me right from wrong, help me to stay strong. So take my hand and walk with me, show me what to be. I need you to set me free, Where are you now? Where are you now? Now that I'm half grown, why are we far apart? I feel so alone. Where are you now? When nothing's going right.
You're my girlfriend. Let's tell them your name. You're Avalana.
Okay.
You love me? What, are they just really loud?
They're very loud.
They're very loud. But that's a good thing. That's a good thing because that just means they're really supportive fans. Yeah. So, we're gonna get you back over there to Mom. But did you have fun up here?
I have to wear earphones.
Here's the- Okay, well, we'll get you another pair of earphones side stage, okay? And you can watch the rest of the show. Is that gonna be cool? Yeah? You wanna give me a hug? Okay, we'll get you some earphones, sweetie. Come on, let's go.
Walk with me, show me what to be. I need you to set me free, I need you to need me.
Tonight's an only girl is super special because this song is dedicated to sweet Avalana. So Avalana, if you're listening, I love you, and everyone in here loves you as well.